Hello and welcome back to AJM Learn. Today is an update from a previous post. We're working on updating all of the different shop and product code that was affected by the new Squarespace Products V2 being pushed out August 30th, 2025. So this is an update. Everything is updated in this description and in the original blog. And let's get into it. So I'm going to show you how to hide the price of specific products. So really quickly, I do want to show you if you want to hide all the prices, you can do that on your store page. Go to edit section, scroll down, and it's actually right here. I think it's kind of hidden and something people don't know. I do have the code in the post. I don't know why you would need it, but it's there if you need it, but you can also just do it inherently. So today we'll focus on removing the price of one product. The person who asked me for this, they wanted to hide the price of some past products that were sold out or just certain different use cases. Maybe the product used to be cheaper, whatever that might be. So here, and you'll have to do it in two places. So you need to hide it here on the main store page, and you'll also need different code to hide it on the actual product page, but don't worry, we got both. So here on the store page, you're using this like kind of child number. So essentially, if you want to hide the price of the first product, the second product, the third product, you just need to change this based on which one you're trying to target, and you'll see it goes away. Pretty simple. But when I click into here, it's still there. So we need a second piece of code for that. I'll paste it directly in from the post, fix the formatting. This one, you will need to grab the item ID. I use the Squarespace ID Finder Chrome extension. Grab that item ID, paste it right over this, and then you still may not see something happen. On this one, I almost always have to refresh the page for the actual product page to work. And bam, it's there, it's done. Or not there anymore. Cool. Well, hope that's helpful. Make sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.